So I am here trying to finish editing our Stitches video. We have so many videos and I'm trying to catch everybody up to where we are now because right now we're in Mataró and you guys still haven't seen Stitches yet. So, but we're running into Barcelona. We're gonna have a little date night and so my hair's wet from the shower. But I wanted to show you guys this Airbnb because we have to check out like 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So I didn't want to have to rush the apartment tour, but this apartment was really, really cool. I think it was like an old school or something like that, but we also have to get our clothes from upstairs, but when we're upstairs, we're going to show you the rooftop, which is really cool. So let's just start the apartment tour. I'll finish this when we get back, but all right, so you come in through here. This is the front entry. And then we have this really cool chair here. I haven't sat on it yet. Have you?
I have a couple times.
It feels like it's like broken on this side.
It's not a rocking chair. I thought it was a rocking chair, but it's not.
Oh, yeah, it definitely doesn't.
Yeah.
Doesn't rock. But obviously. But it's a really cool chair. The lighting in here is really amazing. But check out this huge painting. So big. And the thing about these paintings, I think it was like an old art gallery or something. The thing about these paintings is they're kind of like they have some really like sick, twisted meaning to it. If you really look at it, it kind of takes your mind like, what is this artist trying to say? But the TV, aircon, this dining space. Yeah, see, there's a Nazi.
What's good?
Yeah. Crazy.
It's got like a subliminal message.
It's weird. It's so strange. Sorry you guys. The table's messy right now because I'm editing, 1, and 2, I'm packing. And for the first time, we had a really big table where I can lay everything out and clearly see. Because I don't know if you've realized, by the time you've seen this video, you'll realize we literally go to a different Airbnb every week. So, my OCD, every time we go to a new place, I unpack and I find a better way to pack. So this was great. But, great dining space. Even look at the lamp. Like, everything is like an art piece, you know? Great lighting. This is the kitchen. Nice full fridge. Nothing real special. A great tea kettle. That was great. Stovetop. Never taking that for granted. That's for sure. And then the bathroom. So this is what I mean by it used to be like an old schoolhouse because if when you go to the bathroom, you feel like you're in like a kindergarten. Like it used to be an area for, like a janitor's closet. Maybe this was like what's the place that all the teachers meet?
Teacher conference?
Conference room.
Conference room?
Yeah. Something like that. But anyway. Yeah, that's what this reminds me of. Cool little space. I had towels here, but obviously we use them. And the bathroom and the shower was perfect. The great thing about the shower here is that it stays warm and it gets hot. Like if you hit the thing by accident and you're standing there, it's like, it's hot water. But, so that was great. And then the shower door. So that was cool. So this is the bathroom. Okay. Now, where the magic happens. No, joking. Not joking, but this is the bedroom. See, look at the painting on the wall. The bed is actually pretty comfortable. There's no bed that's more comfortable than the one in Stitches, right? Like, that one was just perfection. But look at this cool space, you guys. Oh, and the lighting in here is really, really good. At night when you put the side lights on. But look at this cool outdoor space. Let's see. So cool. And I like that it's open so you can get nice fresh air and it's a cool place to sit. So yeah, this was really cool. I love this space. Didn't come out here a lot though, but I really liked it. Okay. So we need to go upstairs and get our clothes. So while we do that, we're going to take you guys upstairs. Where are my slippers? We're going to take you guys upstairs so you can see the rooftop. It's not a sunny day today. It's been sunny since we've been here. And the one day that we decide we're going to go do something, you know, go to the beach and stuff, it's cloudy, like ridiculous. So let's take you upstairs. It's a little chilly. Chilly. You know, I was editing the video, and I think I need to do like a compilation of me saying, you guys, oh my gosh, you guys. I say it a lot. It's interesting what you find when you edit. All right, let's head upstairs. Those stairs are horrible. My legs are burning. Are your legs burning? Okay. So this is the outside space. Such a really cool outdoor space that you can utilize. And this is where we hung up our clothes, so we're going to take those. But while I'm taking the clothes down, I'm going to have Brandon do some B-roll and show you guys the rooftops and the rooftop on the other side. It's really cool. Alright, so the stuff is still not dry, so we're going to take it downstairs and I'm going to put it under the heater thing and let it dry there. But we just found out that Italy is opening March 1st. So that might change a lot of our plans, because as of in a few days we'll only have 31 days left in the Schengen. So we might be switching our plan to going to Italy, which nothing comes before Italy. So we're gonna see how things are going, and yeah, you guys will find out. But yeah, it's been crazy moving from place to place. Every place has something very unique and different. So this is nice. Mataró is such a beautiful, cute little coastal town in the opposite direction of Sitges. So instead of being hour south of Barcelona, you're an hour north. But it's really cool exploring these little towns. We've been having a lot of fun. And guys, don't forget, if you are going to stay at an Airbnb, I have a discount code at the bottom in the description box. I'll put the discount code here too, so that you can use it next time we go into Airbnb. But yeah, it's a gloomy day today. But don't forget to like, subscribe. I hope you guys are liking these apartment tours. It's a lot of them. So if you guys don't care to see them, let me know and I'll stop making them. But if you really are enjoying them, let me know and I'll continue making them. But yeah, it's a really cool space up here. All right, we have things to do. Have to check out tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to take you guys to Sagrada Familia. So we're going to go to Sagrada Familia tomorrow, and we're going to check into a hotel for one night. I know I said we would never stay in a hotel ever again, but we had to do this for one night so we can do some of the touristy things, because our next Airbnb is back this way. So it just worked out that way. But it's only one night. We could do that. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and go to the description box. Get that code, use it for Airbnb, and we'll catch you on the next one.